and adjudicate. That's what the highwayman lawyer says. Constitutional law does not start with the question who should win. It starts with, can this court even hear this case? Federal courts are not general complaint departments. Under Article 3 of the Constitution, they can only decide actual cases or controversies. That means no advisory opinions, no hypothetical disputes, and no lawsuits where the plaintiff is just mad in the abstract. Before a court reaches the constitutional issue, it asks a few questions. Number one, standing. Is this the right person to bring the lawsuit? The plaintiff needs to have a personal stake. They need to have an injury, which is caused by the defendant, and the court needs to be able to actually fix it. I remember this by HCR, hurt, causation, redressability. Second off, ripeness. Is the dispute ready for court? A case is not ripe if future events might make the decision unnecessary. If the harm has already happened or there is a specific threat of harm, it may be ripe. But if the law is only being debated and has not been passed yet, it's too early to have that lawsuit. Third off, mootness. Is it too late? A case is moot if events have already solved the dispute, so the court's decision would no longer matter. There is an exception for issues that are capable of repetition yet evading review. This refers to things like short stay-at-home orders or, stuff involving pregnancy and abortion. Fourth off, you have the political question doctrine. This does not mean that courts have to avoid everything political. Courts decide politically charged cases all the time, but it means that some of the cases are committed to other branches or lack judicially manageable standards. For example, you've got like impeachment, certain guarantee clause, partisan gerrymandering claims can fall here, though this is kind of getting a little murky right now. And generally, courts avoid cases where another branch is in a better position to decide it. Here's the basics then. Before asking whether or not the Constitution is violated, ask whether or not the court has the power to answer. Hope that helps.